Every drop of sunflower oil begins here, in fields of gold. Modern harvesting machines gather thousands of sunflowers every hour. Precision blades separate the flower heads from the field. Inside the machine, powerful separators release the seeds. Within minutes, the tank fills with freshly harvested seeds.
Cart, pull up alongside for unload.
Harvest never stops. Unloading happens while the machine keeps moving. Tons of sunflower seeds transfer directly into transport carts. Each harvest is quickly inspected before leaving the field. The journey from farm to refinery begins immediately. Protection is essential to preserve seed quality. With the cargo secured, transport can begin. Thousands of kilograms of seeds now head to processing. The refinery awaits just beyond the horizon. During peak harvest, convoys run day and night. From field to factory, the supply chain moves fast. Ahead stands the refinery, where seeds become oil. A modern refinery capable of processing thousands of tons daily. And this is where the transformation truly begins. Every delivery begins with precise measurement. Incoming loads are carefully weighed before processing. Each shipment is digitally recorded for traceability. Next stop, the seed receiving station. This is where harvested seeds first enter the refinery system. Precision positioning ensures safe unloading. Gravity now takes control of the harvest. The refinery's process begins the moment seeds hit the pit. Hidden conveyors move tons of seeds through the facility. Powerful elevators lift seeds to the processing level. From here, the refinery distributes the raw harvest. Temporary storage ensures a steady production flow. These silos hold thousands of tons of raw material. Stored seeds wait for their turn in the refining process. Automated systems regulate the flow into production. The refinery begins to awaken. Before oil extraction, every seed must be cleaned. Next, the seeds face their first stage of refination. Cleaning begins by removing dust and field debris. Air separators pull away lighter contaminants. Rotating drums ensure only proper seeds continue. And magnetic traps eliminate hidden metal hazards. Density separators remove even the smallest stones. Clean seeds are lifted to the preparation level. From here, the seeds move toward mechanical preparation. Controlled flow ensures consistent processing. The protective shells must be separated from the kernels. Airflow helps isolate valuable kernels. The shells are removed for reuse as biofuel. Only the nutrient-rich kernels continue forward. Controlled heat prepares the kernels for oil extraction. Roasting releases the oils trapped inside the seeds. Cooling stabilizes the kernels before pressing. Temperature control is critical for efficient extraction. Now the real transformation begins. Pressure will soon turn kernels into liquid gold. Massive pressure begins squeezing oil from the kernels. The first drops of raw sunflower oil finally appear. Fresh oil begins its journey through purification. What remains becomes valuable protein-rich feed. Even the leftovers are never wasted. Crude oil gathers before deeper purification. Pumps move the oil deeper into the refinery. Before refining, impurities must be removed. Filtration removes the remaining seed fragments. Heat prepares the oil for chemical refination. Controlled heat allows impurities to separate. Next, chemical refination begins. Here the oil begins its purification. Impurities start separating from the oil. Waste compounds gather as removable foam. The oil becomes cleaner with every step. Now the oil enters high-speed purification. Speed and force finish the purification. Centrifugal force drives impurities away from the oil. Rotation pushes unwanted particles to the outer walls. Only purified oil continues forward. Water washing removes remaining chemical traces. Careful mixing prepares the oil for another separation. Centrifugal force restores the oil's purity. The oil now moves toward color purification. Special clay absorbs pigments and microscopic impurities. Impurities bond with the clay particles. Filters trap the clay and leave purified oil behind. The oil is now nearly pure. The final stage removes unwanted odors. Steam strips away remaining scent molecules. Vacuum systems remove the final traces of odor. Now the oil is ready for final preparation. Each batch is monitored with precision. Automation keeps every step under control. The final stages will perfect the oil. Even the cleanest oil undergoes one final polishing. Micron filters remove particles too small to see. The oil now moves toward final conditioning. Precise temperature prepares the oil for packaging. Every parameter must remain within strict limits. Conditioned oil waits for the final stage. Pumps guide the oil toward the filling lines. The refinery now prepares the oil for consumers. Automation takes control of the final stage. Gravity feeds the oil into precision fillers. Clean bottles arrive for filling. Precision positioning ensures perfect filling. Every bottle receives the exact measured amount. Filled bottles continue toward sealing. Caps are automatically aligned for sealing. Sealing protects the oil from contamination. Each bottle receives its identity. Quality checks ensure every bottle meets standards. Automation now guides every bottle through final preparation. Smart sensors control the flow with millisecond precision. Computer vision instantly detects imperfections. Only perfect products move forward. Heat seals guarantee product safety. Cooling stabilizes the sealed bottles. Robotics increase speed and precision. Packaging trays are formed instantly. Grouped packaging prepares products for transport. Protective wrapping secures each pack. Heat locks the packaging firmly in place. Cooling prepares the packs for palletizing. Heavy robotic arms handle the final stacking. Automation lifts heavy loads effortlessly. Perfect stacking ensures stability during transport. Layer by layer, the shipment grows. Stretch wrapping secures the load for transport. Now the finished product heads for storage. The refinery's warehouse receives the finished product. Forklifts take over from the conveyor system. Each pallet weighs hundreds of kilograms. Massive warehouses hold thousands of pallets. Precise storage keeps inventory organized. Every pallet is digitally tracked. Digital systems manage the refinery's logistics. Production continues feeding the warehouse. Before shipping, every pallet is prepared. Shipping labels guide the final destination.
Each pallet is now ready for dispatch.
Orders are assembled in the dispatch zone. The refinery prepares shipments for delivery. Precision docking allows safe loading.
Back it up, straight now! Oh, climb there!
Heavy ramps bridge warehouse and transport. The first pallet enters the transport trailer. Truck trailers quickly fill with finished product. The shipment prepares for its journey. Before leaving the refinery, every batch is tested. Samples are collected directly from the production line. Each batch receives detailed analysis. Viscosity determines the oil's consistency. Acidity levels reveal the purity of the oil. Advanced instruments confirm the oil's quality. Each result must meet strict industry standards. Clarity reveals the success of the refining process. Even tiny traces of water must be removed. Experts confirm the oil's clean, neutral aroma. Only approved batches move to distribution. Every bottle remains traceable. Shipment clearance confirmed. Approval signals the product is ready to ship. Approved shipments head to transport. Final inspection ensures accurate delivery. The shipment is nearly ready for departure. The refinery's work is complete. Now the product begins its journey to the world. After weeks of careful processing, the oil finally leaves the refinery. Behind these walls, thousands of tons are refined every day. Each shipment carries the result of precision engineering. From refinery to retailers, the journey continues. Distribution networks move the oil across regions. From here, the product spreads across markets. Each pallet prepares for final delivery.
This stack for the supermarket.
Got it. This batch is for the market stores.
I'll start loading the trucks.
Soon these bottles will reach store shelves. A journey that began in a sunflower field. Now ready for kitchens around the world. A simple product with a complex journey. From seed to bottle, every step carefully controlled. Millions of bottles leave this facility every year.
And this is how modern factories produce sunflower oil from start to finish.
An entire industry built around one simple seed. From field to factory, the journey comes full circle. Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.